Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Abdul. If you're new on this channel, we talk about style, fitness and other vlog topics. So I would advise you guys to click on the subscribe button. Now today's topic, how to wash your sneakers. Late 20k18, if you notice, different trends of sneakers was so raining and like Fila, Off-White, Balenciaga, and I'm very sure this early 2019 is going to rain a lot, and I would advise you guys to know how to wash your sneakers very well so you will look stylish anywhere you go. If you're still interested, watch the video to the end. The material you're going to be using, just like an old toothbrush, an old one, detergent in a bowl, mix it with water, just normal mixture. There's nothing new there. So I'll put a little water inside now. So right here I'll be adding a little bit of water and put it So since the tap tried to disappoint me, I got water elsewhere, so you mix it together with your brush very well. Then you get your shoe. I'm going to be using this, my old sneakers, to like dirty. Just use the brush for the sole, just for the sole, especially the white part here. I would advise you guys to check out some of my videos after these videos. They are really cool to watch, and don't forget to subscribe on this channel. You can follow me on Instagram at style_Afos. That's my business page, and for my personal page, you follow me up, life_off_Abdul, life of Abdul. After you're done with the sole, just you won't really scrub the body too much because of the material, so it won't spoil it. What you will need here is a rag. Use a wet rag to clean it, not too much, so it won't spoil the material and also make it last longer. Then clean the body. As you can see, so I'm going to be working on the second one now. I'll skip that for now. So if you're done washing the shoe, just go dry them up for about 10 to 15 minutes in the sun or anywhere you want to use, like any method you want to use to dry them. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos after feeling them. Please don't forget, and please turn on the notification button below.